Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to showcase your Canva projects through Google Meet to ensure your presentation has the greatest impact. Let's dive into this straightforward and efficient method. Begin by opening the Canva file you intend to share. Simply head over to canva.com, locate your specific design, and launch it. Preparing your slides in advance will make things much smoother once you enter your Google Meet session. With your project open in Canva, select the Present button. Choose the Present Full Screen option, which displays your work across the entire monitor, eliminating distractions so your viewers can concentrate solely on your material. This mode is vital for a polished, professional appearance. Next, you should pick the Presenter View setting. This is a powerful tool because it generates two separate windows. One is your private dashboard containing your speaker notes and a preview of upcoming slides. The second window is the one your audience sees, showing only the current slide. This setup allows you to stay on track with your talking points while maintaining a clean flow for your viewers. Now, switch over to your Google Meet call where your participants are waiting. Once you have joined the session, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Present Now icon. I suggest choosing the Tab option here. This allows you to broadcast a specific Chrome tab, ensuring you only show the intended window without accidentally revealing other private tabs or applications. From the list of open tabs, select the Canva window designated as the Audience View. This specific screen shows your slides without any editing tools or private notes. Finally, click Share to go live. Your Canva creation is now being broadcast through Google Meet. This technique guarantees a seamless experience and keeps you confident with your notes easily accessible. Whether you are pitching ideas, teaching, or leading a team, these steps will help you maximize Canva and Google Meet for a memorable presentation. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.